Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ceridian Dayforce. Review my usage experience. Ceridian Dayforce, from what I understand, is a cloud-based HR and payroll management system. It's aimed at businesses of all sizes, providing tools for managing employee information, payroll processing, benefits administration, and more. Key features seem to include time and attendance tracking, self-service portals for employees, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Ceridian Dayforce positions itself as a comprehensive, all-in-one solution. It emphasizes ease of use and streamlined processes, aiming to reduce administrative burdens for HR departments. They highlight the system's robust reporting capabilities and its ability to integrate with other business systems. Availability is dependent on business needs and location. You can find out more on their website. While pricing isn't explicitly listed, they offer various plans catering to different company sizes. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ceridian Dayforce. I recently helped a small business implement it, and my experience was largely positive. Getting started was fairly straightforward, the onboarding process was well documented, and their support team was very responsive to our initial questions. The interface was initially a bit daunting due to the sheer number of features, but after a couple of days of exploration, I found it quite intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear reporting dashboards. Generating payroll summaries and employee attendance reports was a breeze. The system speed was impressive. Processing payroll for our small team took only a few minutes. I had a quick question about configuring employee benefits, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for employees, forcing them to access the system via a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Ceridian Dayforce. It's a powerful and feature-rich system, though it does require a learning curve for those unfamiliar with HR software. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of generating customized reports. That's my overview of Ceridian Dayforce. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.